how to log into your Gopuff account. If you want to log into Gopuff account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Gopuff application, and this is the type of interface that we will see. From the bottom you can see sign in or sign up. So you can tap on the sign in or sign up button, and depending upon whether or not you have an account, first of all make sure to select your country, whether United States or the United Kingdom. Then after that, go ahead and then just make sure to enter your phone number right here. Then once done, just tap on the next option that you can see from the bottom. Then it will send a verification code to that phone number. Once you verify the OTP code, you can tap on next and fill in your other information to log in. Now you can also continue with, let's say, your Google account or your Facebook account if you have linked using those. So you can tap and continue with Google and so on. After that, you can select your Google account and you'll be able to log in. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.